Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about hotspots on Grubhub. So when you're on Grubhub, you now see a screen where you see your entire zone right in front of you, and within that zone you see these itty bitty red dots, and those are referred to as hotspots. And what they're supposed to indicate to you is where the orders that are on the platform are right now. So with that said, I want to go over everything you must know about hotspots on Grubhub, what Grubhub tells you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's start with a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that, like a lot of things in the gig economy, everything I will be going over here can be considered market dependent. And what applies to me and my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. What are hotspots? Hotspots show you the busiest areas to earn more money during that time of day. Being in a hotspot gives you the opportunity to receive more offers and higher earnings. And yet, when you receive orders and you're sitting in a hotspot, a lot of the times they're really far away from you unless you're on block. Easily access hotspots on task screen. I feel like the word access is a very poor choice of words, because when you go into Grubhub, you can literally zoom into these hotspots and you know you're gonna see just a bunch of red. It's not really access. It's not like I could click on it and see other restaurants or anything like that. It literally is just a red spot on the screen, which in my opinion is not a great indicator of what a hotspot should be, but that's a different conversation for a different day. What's new with hotspots? Think of it as an improved 2.0, improved accuracy. You want to be where the orders are, and now that hotspots are even more accurate, you can be. Maybe we do want to be where the orders are, but you're giving us an area, you're not giving us restaurants to be around. Like I said, it's literally just a big red dot. That's not anything that's helpful. Faster updates. More current info can mean less idle time, so you can find the busiest order areas quickly. Yes, but in reality, unless you're on block, that really doesn't mean anything either. And not to mention, a great way to cut down on idle time is actually multi-apping, which makes hotspots moot entirely. Drivers who use hotspots tend to get more offers and earn more money. Hotspots are always on hand on your driver app task screen, which to a lot of people, that's just the home screen, but it is what it is. But it's not even an accurate statement. Drivers who use hotspots get more offers and earn more money. You know who earns more money at the end of the day? People who are multi-apping. The problem is with Grubhub's entire hotspot system, number one, they have no info on it. And number two, 99 of the problems that hotspots are solving for their low order frequency can be solved with simply multi-apping. Now, I do have a few side notes that I would like to go over. And yes, we're already in the side note section, because literally that was it. That was all the information on hotspots for Grubhub that Grubhub provided you. Priority is greater than proximity. They claim that hotspots are a great way to cut down on wait time, and in some cases that's accurate, but in reality, if you have a high priority, then you are going to gain more orders that way. Grubhub has made it absolutely clear that they prioritize priority over proximity every single time. Heck, it's even shown in their notes about hotspots. It was literally 2 pages with 3 lines total, I think, and a couple pictures of blur on their screen, which I don't even know if I'm willing to use. Like, I'm using my phone instead. So as long as you remain on block and maximize your priority on Grubhub, you're gonna make more money that way than ever prioritizing proximity at all. And if you don't know what I mean by staying on block, I made a video talking all about that. I'll leave that in the description. Feel free to check it out. More orders doesn't mean good orders. So like I said, they only have a blurb on a screen, and it it shows you the general area of where outstanding orders are. Why are those orders outstanding? Because they are no-tip orders or they're orders of low value. So just because they have more orders in that area doesn't mean it's good. And it doesn't mean it's in a location where you want to go either. Like maybe that area is just bad parking, or just a bad area in general to be in. Las Olas Boulevard over here in Fort Lauderdale is a great area to receive orders, but it's not a good area to park in. Las Vegas has the Las Vegas Strip that is the same way. New York City, same gist. So just because there are more orders to go there doesn't mean it's going to be more profit for you. Not worth pursuing. Usually I ask the question of if it's worth it or not, and quite honestly, I can't imagine a single way that hotspots are ever worth pursuing. They don't even give us a time frame of how long these hotspots are in effect. That just says the updates are faster. Great! How long is a hotspot a hotspot? They don't say that. They don't give an overall time frame. They're just saying hotspot like it's supposed to mean something. And one of the things I firmly believe in is that you never chase hotspots. You create your own, you determine your own, and you kind of camp in that area. Don't be that guy to continuously waste your gas and put more miles on your car and increase your expenses chasing little blobs on a screen, because it's never worth it. Did I miss anything? Is there anything else about Grubhub hotspots that I have yet to cover in a video like this? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that everybody who uses Grubhub can make the most amount of money as possible, and that way everyone can maximize their income potential. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!